In this video, we'll take a look at what happens when your partner org receives a data request and uploads the data. So I've logged in as a different user now in Acme, and Acme has access to this following feed out, to send the data to example re. So it's all working on the parameters that example re defined. And we've got this simplified interface here where we just see the data that we've submitted. Again, all the versions of it. And there's a drag and drop zone where we bring the data in. And let's have a look at that now. So I've got my files ready. I'm just going to drag them in. And it's come up with a pop-up to show that it's uploading the files. It shows me the files that have been uploaded. They are Excel spreadsheets. And one of them is an Excel spreadsheet that has multiple tabs. So it's split them out here in this kind of tree structure. The next step is to say which file contains the premium, so the premium subsection, and which file contains the claims. So I know that the premium section is this one, and I know that the claims section is this one. And I'm going to grab all the tabs except for this one, which is just a cover sheet and isn't needed for processing the data. So when this hits the pipeline, it will treat the premium and the claims differently and process them in the way that makes sense for that data. So it'll stitch these 4 tabs together to create a combined view of the claims. One quick confirmation step. If there's any issues here, I can just go back and change it, but this looks good to me. And there we are, the data's in, and it's being mirrored straight over to example re, where right now their pipeline will be running automatically to process and validate that data. While we're here, we can see that this is an organization on the free tier. So they just have access to the feeds. Pipelines, data, and analyze are grayed out, but they can upgrade to the pro tier if they want to start using pipelines to improve their data quality. So here we are back in the requesting organization. We're looking at a pipeline that's connected to that Acme feed, and we can see that it actually ran automatically as soon as that new data hit the feed. We've got a log of all the previous runs, and we've got our validation report there. So we can set up this pipeline to just push the data out automatically whenever the new data comes in, or we can set it up to say, well, if there's a validation issue, then halt the process and send me an email, and then I can go in and see what I need to do to fix it. Pipeline automation is really simple to set up. Check out our Help Center documentation to see how to do that. In the next video, we'll show you how to request a resubmission if you've found an issue with the data.